guys, today I have 3 super simple Dollar Tree DIYs for your Valentine's Day decor. This is part 1. I have 3 more DIYs that will be in part 2, so make sure that you hit that subscriber button so that you don't miss it. This first one is using this little sign that I found at the Dollar Tree. I turned it over and used the other side and just painted it black. I decided I was going to turn this into string art, so I used these Jot push pins and the heart-shaped doily to make a heart shape on the wood. I decided to use this twine to make the string art. I do, however, wish that I had used thinner twine, because this one was a bit thick and it made it a little harder to work with. This process is quite easy. You just need to make sure that you are outlining the heart as you're weaving the twine in and out around the heart. And then once it was all done, I just used a little hot glue to keep the end knot in place. The second project was a super simple heart-shaped wreath. I used the metal heart wreath that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I also found this burlap with black polka dots wire ribbon, and I wanted this to be a very neutral colored wreath. So to start, I hot glued the ribbon onto the metal, and then you'll see I basically just wrapped the entire wreath. But it was really important because I didn't want it to be a real see-through wreath, to make sure that I was overlapping the ribbon quite a bit to make it more of a solid color. I just used a piece of twine and hot glued it on the back to make a hanger. This last DIY was super simple. All I wanted to do was transform this sign to have more of a farmhouse feel. And to do that, I just traced and colored in using a black permanent marker on all of the letters where there was red. also decided to remove the red ribbon that was the hanger at the top and just replaced it with a piece of twine.